Welcome back to e-learning. I'm Ahsan, and today I'm not going to teach you grammar rules from a textbook. Today I'm here as a friend. I want to see you succeeding, growing, and finally speaking up in English. I want to ask you a very honest question. Have you ever sat in a room and tried to say something in English but suddenly your mind went blank? Your mind was not popping up with words, and your heart raced, and then you stayed silent? It's okay. That once happened to me as well. So today, I will tell you how to practice your English speaking skills step by step. I want to change you from freezing up to speaking up. To learn how to swim, you have to get into the water. You cannot learn it by reading a book about swimming. So, speaking in English is exactly the same thing. It is a practice, not a material knowledge. Most people fail to speak English not because they are not smart, but because they treat English like a school exam. They try to memorize lists of 500 words and they study complex grammar rules and then they try to sound perfect. Your brain gets tired, it gets scared, and then it quits. We are not going to do the same thing. We are going to build small, effortless habits. We will start practicing it today. So, here is your first rule. Start speaking to yourself aloud for just 2 minutes every single day. No excuses, no cheating. It can be when you are making coffee, when you are looking in the mirror, or when you are walking in your room. Say to yourself, I'm going in my room. I'm making the coffee for myself. Let me drink some water. I want to sleep early today. It can be anything. Just speak to yourself. Start it now. Start it today. You can start with incredibly simple descriptions. Look around in your room and talk about what you see. This is my desk. It is brown. I have a cup of tea here. The tea is hot. Today is a beautiful day. Let me enjoy my tea. Don't worry about being fancy. Just let your mouth move to the sound of English. Speak it out aloud. Never just your head. When you speak out loud, your vocal cords and your brain build muscle memory. So you have to speak with the movement of your tongue. Don't just say the words in your heart or brain. Speak up. Speak up with me. Move your tongue and speak up. Trust me, you will start speaking. Let me share a quick story with you, and I will speak really slow, and I want you to speak it with me. When I first tried to speak a second language, my hands used to sweat. I was so afraid of looking foolish. One day, I realized something. No one is paying as much attention to me as I am. No one is looking at my mistakes. It's only me who is feeling embarrassed. The moment I allowed myself to make mistakes, the heavy weight lifted off my shoulders. Your brain fears what is unfamiliar. By talking to yourself for just 2 minutes a day, you show your brain that English is safe. But wait, speaking is only half of a journey. In the next part, I'm going to show you a silent habit that will completely reprogram how your brain processes English words. Stay with me because this next step is where the real transformation begins. If you are still here in my video, it means that you are really going to learn something today. You are ready to change. Let's talk about how your brain naturally learns language. Think about how children learn to speak. They don't study grammar books first, they listen, they absorb. Before a child speaks, a child listens. A child listens to his parents, and then a child starts speaking exactly like his parents. So, listening is must. Another very beneficial habit is try to copy the sentences. Try to copy the words. If someone is saying something really attractive to you, like if your friend said that the test was really challenging and the word challenging was very attractive to you, then say it in your heart with the movement of your tongue. Movement of your tongue is compulsory. If you will move your tongue and say the word, and if you will copy the sentence, your brain will learn faster than you can imagine. You will start speaking like your speaker. First, listen to your speaker and then start speaking like your speaker. Habit number 3 is start writing a few sentences every day, every night before going to bed. When you will start writing a few sentences, then your brain will stop translating from your mother tongue to native English. I am not saying you to write an essay or a story. I am saying you to write only 3 sentences, 3 simple sentences, like today I washed my car. Number 2, I ate an apple. Number 3, I am tired, but I am happy. Or you can say that I am tired, but I am happy because I am learning with Miss Ahsan. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more tips and tricks with me. I will tell you some common mistakes of my students who were doing the same things but they couldn't speak a single fluent sentence. Let me tell you about a girl. Her name was Sarah. She spent years trying to memorize grammar rules but couldn't speak a single fluent sentence. She felt totally stuck. Then I told her to stop studying grammar entirely and just do these three things. Number one, 2 minutes of self talk. Number two, 5 minutes of copycat. And number three, writing 3 simple sentences every night. In just 1 month, her hesitation vanished. She didn't become a poet, but she became a confident speaker. Simple habits build massive results. I hope you will like to stay tuned with me for next videos. Thanks for watching me. Bye.